กันนี่นะกันเราแทงตาเฮ้ยเมลทาร์นสวงเรานี่สันเราก็เราเมลกันอินหมดแล้วลองพบไหมที่สักอ๋อส่วนเฮ้ยตัวนี้ยันกันโลกวิวตัวไงล่ะนิสานข้านิสานนั่นโลกัลส่งบ้านพลังนิสานโลกัลนิสานนั่นโลกัลข้า yes เฮ้ยบ้านหุ่นนี่กันบ้านหุ่นนี่ดูกันกันสวยเที่ยงกันเสียส่วนส่วนอีเล่มจนเขาปังชวนเสียแล้วมั้งจนบ้านหุ่นพวกเขาอาเซียนที่โดนนะส่วนเฮ้ยตัวนั้นก็สวยที่อินเชียงอย่างมากก็ที่กับก็เหมือนโดนไงเรคคอร์ดที่ก็เหมือนโดนไงอะไรไอ้เฮ้ยโซโลมอนนั้นโดนนั่งจังกันสิร์ตัว lessons from the life of Solomon แล้วโซโลมอนนั้นโดนจังกันสิร์ตัวฮักกันเองตอนนี้อ๋อสวยดาวสูงส่งไงเฮ้ยฉันจะให้โซเตตันดูป้าปกันหัวกันหลงมองพ่อแม่เฮ้ยกันเฮ้ยอุปาร์ตเท่าแต่มีช่างกันหัวหลงพ่อแม่นิสานเรากันเราตัวตรงไงอ๋อเฮ้ยมาตั้งแต่ family พ่อมาวันชาเอ็มวันหลงอ๋อส่วนหัวอ๋อเดวิดเท่ามาหลงไม่ถูกไงที่มามีแต่หัวเลยมีช่างสังที่เท่าแต่ก็สวยเสียงเราหลงมันนี่เด็กข้าเป็นตัวกะเลมจงใจนะมั่งแล้วปากันโลมันนี่เราเป็นสองกันหลานเจ้าสานี่นะกันคุณมันที่มาร้อนสมังเจ้มินที่บ่อยแห่งกันดูตาเลยเสียเทียมเทียนมินเปียงเจ้อีสอนมีคนดีเลยอาเมนเรากันไลฟ์ทั้งรู้ตัวกันมินที่มัวตัวเองกัน Facebook page ให้เราไลฟ์เทมมานี่เราดิสิเรา page บ้างให้ไลฟ์เทมไม่ใช่ Facebook page ให้อะไรกะเลมpositively work เราทัดเนี่ยอ๋อที่อะไรกะเลมกะเลมเนาะอะไรโซโลมอนะนู่นจังกันสิตัวที่กันเนี่ยน้องอ๋อเฮ้ยซาร์มันที่ล็อกดาวน์ไล่อะก็เสียมันให้เกมาร้อนหลังพัดคันเนี่ยล็อกดาวน์ไล่คันมั้งล็อกดาวน์ไล่คันไล่กันหนึ่งเราช่วงคันใครข้าไล่มีจุดชั่วอมฟัดงาเฟ่อ๋อส่วนอีตาลุเลยสินะจู่ๆก็สวยดูสิเองเราเซอร์มันที่มอpractical คือตัว it's very practical it's very relatable for me มอกระตันส่วน relatable ตัวปนี่และทุชิลตูเล็กขบูฮี Ecclesiastes อินเทียมทุชิลตูเล็กขบู Do you know the book of Ecclesiastes เฮ้ยกันเทียมอ๋อเฮ้ย Solomon นั่นเสียเนี่ยที่กันเทียมตรอ It was written by Solomon and King Solomon อันนั้นอ๋อข้ามีเล็กขบูin ทุชิลตูนั่นสวยเช่นขัดที่เอ็นโลกังand do like he hey for everything there's a season a time everything kaka tushil tu kami bible sang lar deu kha kan thia taro kha ziani kha azia chen khat ani lamo so some of the words written in the book let's just check them out chialo kang some of the words number 1 bung khada starting himo meaningless engma omlo ziam lo ti nan chan hal le cho phuram lo taroงานเกลเวลเลยขบุขะเอ็งก็เสียงอ่อนติดเชื้อเอ็งมามิ่งเลยสำหรับติงฮัลโน่เลยตลอดตัวยมฟักเราเขาเตียงเสียเขาจะพอดไหมso and then next one verse 4เอ็นุละ there's nothing new under the sun เดียเอ็นุละเทียบท่าแรงอมเราตูนมาทิลตู้มาแล้วใช่ไหมล่ะฟ้านักกินอาปดที่เราแข่งตัว there's nothing new under the sun เดียตลอดSo what is nothing new? New omzetsu. Finna sapo le boy na tama. Where there's much wisdom, there's much sorrow. The more the knowledge, the more the grief. See, education, they can kala school all these things to get knowledge, wisdom. They're all finna te tiang nei tu khan enro. finna na sapo le boina tam fin du song ban parang so you want to be wise the more there is wisdom and what the more there is sorrow the more knowledge the more grief tilishiat nem pole mang anna pungati tera chu mol da ni nom mel tera idule bula mi kha nomi tiam tilok la pa poi mi alo so sunitale see look at this and he says everything is meaningless. See, I surveyed with my hands what I had toiled to achieve more. Katil ton song song US I had enge kan duanga mi hian na tlang puin hey family chatak in le lo cha mo chuan in song song kha aman rule zo vekela tro khar chatak family kan father education na hey public school ni lo Christian school nge ka kaltir an ron fel to all these things tiang kha kan they kan duang chu tro ke ni chuan ma se he says this hetiang when I served all that I wanted to achieve at katil ton tum zong zong he kan ena engma lo thilo tho na ni nuai han log na reng om lo everything was meaningless, a chasing after the wind. Nothing was gained under the sun, and we are all under the sun. Nothing, there's no meaning. Engma omsi omlo ati burmaine so it's more purom very encouraging in the purom lo ne and mi apo mi fingangin titursia men both the fool and the wise, they must die together. They're gonna die. If you're wise pon, you're gonna die. You foolish pon, you're gonna die. Tinani. And ninwaya mi apo tidon mi fing po tidon kating hana saying so more ninwaya ka thorim na song ka tilti ka khota. I hate the things which I toiled for because there is no meaning ati Solomona ha. And he was the wisest person that ever lived. Dam nung to song ala fingber la ni suenia fingber chon tiang hen ro sai me in the vam and say mi trenga chu lalin chial sen lo chunga ro rela ma se nuwa tu ma chungan lom lo wa lal pakhat ka rong kala mo ro rel tha ema chuan ammi puita pokhan lom ani hey Singapore king chenga tungen prime minister ngai san do kha ming hi ka khapa kha engti heta hen lo rel tal mo heta khan and you're serving your people and you're doing good for them and all these things are happening but nobody remembers you. 2 months she had ponched to chung lo se ti nuante into them ho vesi no ming chat kan du em man ki na ming chat na cho 2 months she don lo che ti ni tu yom lo to til sia mi suang sol til chalo ti chunga look at this hey Peter I have seen both the righteous perishing in the righteousness. There's this holy person and he's very holy, he obeys the Lord, yet he dies in his righteousness. And the wicked living long in the wickedness. And sweltering and dambre piano misukiti. But mi fedau po antithoti. But takani mo so ito. Mi chang bo po samang po means samang so hey mi principles ne tinane mo. All the righteous people with principles, without principles, they all perish. Kaninang kwal fek alaw ni hititane. Into them hey, and this is one of verse I really hate. I don't like. The race is not to the swift or the battle to the strong. Hey, mo ante talk ve che unlock tinang Indona hey tarau na te po hen chem kan insertion ve ka ti fe ma se nakina pathian ti pelo de haron mangle ti zong den an la phone he into them. So it's very meaningless, encouraging. A conclusion is like this. He says, meaningless, chapter 12. He goes to say, meaningless. Meaningless, says the teacher, everything is meaningless. For 12 chapters. Chapter sompani, so bung sompani, so nitnoy engma ani lausia. So in sumo. And these are the words of the wisest person who ever lived, Lal Solomona. La fingber la tilshat yamber. Dro tilshat yamber in enkiman ena omsi omlo watiani. มาเสตียนตินไม่เทียอันนี้จุดที่ขัดทิ้งตินไม่เทียน if you read the verses ที่เห็นอะไรนี่อินทอยนะแต่พออินทอยเราที่เนี่ยอันนี้นังเร่งเตะอินเช่นเดียวกันผมจะสุปฏิญาณ worship เขาที่ worship เราเนี่ยกันนี่นังเร่งที่ส่งนะสวยเลยที่เล่นตัวนัก crusade เนี่ยพอเนี่ยเราเนี่ยกันนี่นังเลเวกโดนตีนังเดียวนี่soอันนี้มีเราเนี่ยมอเหตุการณ์อันนี้เรากัลเสียกันพูดเดียวมอผู้ช่วยเตะมอพูดดีกันเตะพอการกัลเวลาเขาเนี่ยอันนี้นังเร่งโดนตีนังเดียวนี่soอินเช่นเดียวกันมาเสร็จ that's not ข้าชวนนี่ด้านนี้แล้วว่ามาเสร็จ this is what he means มอสุดท้ายทีมี this is so hard to understand มอให้มี Bible จังนี่มีตั้มดักปนทุชิลตู I think they don't like the book of Ecclesiastes. Many of the people, since the patient tangan sershang vetero, but kanan zir vetil kanan tivet so tien kan tivet ato basa kanin le effecti hani. Into there. Oh, omlo. Two vangson enge ita. Everything is meaningless. Mas and that come meditate come cheer mo. Tushil tu hi pel to ban parang cheer to ngai to. How many of you thought about this? Oh, it's a very depressing book actually. Minti pulo ve jiang ni mo, hele kabu. Pero, masih patian tu tiang lima ngat ni om le. He, zelawin patian ni dang ay. Pero, tu dem signal. So patian ni zelawin til hi dalo. Pero, in the vam, tu sune ante. He ni kan so I discovered this mo. Kalau discover tani. Before that, Solomon had everything one could wish for. Everything. A net worth. And the Atharao, meaning of fun, make go temple can dedicate them all. After they dedicated the temple, he prayed and fire fell from heaven, the fire of God, and consumed the sacrifice. The Kopana Ravenia. We don't mean a phantom make go Tanya temple and Lanuahan. 做得给你毒气么？给你养毒气，专给你养毒气，没反正没够他，专能养毒气别痛，听没没？哦啊，好死咩嘛你？哦，那个film图哦 ，he was very rich. His net worth was 2.2 trillion US dollars. Trillion, 2.2 trillion US dollars. Solomona net worth. Come on, bonasina, turulutu, and he was the king. He's in charge. President. He had 1,000 women, 700 wives and 300 concubines. Concubine means unofficial wives. So Clevin on some chance, hey, the wisest person that ever lived. And the head young he can do on soon effect me in the VM. Dark Arkada per hour 50 develop hold. Ma'am, 2.2 trillion in India. It's a bottom minister at the low long VM and is Nula Sankata. At all, Finge Memboka. Alal memboka atron ti person na rao ma sente ti khopa che chale ti khopa din mun chahan encouraging lo kis mo he time na chiang lo deng le khobu encouraging lo lu tu king ngati asia hey kam mucho I discovered this mo kam mucho en entry and raw asia hun kha kan dai when did he write this book Solomona hian engtiga chiang e hele khabu isia tiga apoi mo tani kan chu dem So when did he actually write this book? Hele kabuhi. Kiki kan chu da mo so I calculated in all the 3rd century BC nia khatiang kha. And the englo line lo zia kan hele kabuhi. The tushil tu khamo ama chu chade tu finga ta po zia chou chou han shem. Azia hun in shem. Pathian apkal apatsan no zia ni. Intrate memo. He wrote this book when he was backslidden away from the Lord. Intrate memo. Tahan hallelujah he wrote this book when he was backslidden. He was out of fellowship with the Lord, and his heart became hardened ni zana kan zirang khan lalpa ne na relationship anin ne na ka akal sana mo lalpa ne na relationship me ni lo fellowship kan ti ama ne na len dun na ka akal sana chu wang sana thinlunga cholola athil khir dan zong zong ka athim na kan iso hallelujah. This hey hilo ni mo, this is the key, this is a better hini mo engkim ka thim ang chu engkim anei nang engma limna mu thailon so because his relationship with ka soi fo khatro this is God and this is man. We were meant to have relationship with him, to walk with him. Come on dinglok pasir hey pathian ni ta se amane he tinga leng dun to walk with him, to fellowship with him. Only when we do this our lives have meaning. Kan nei kan nun hian om zia nei chok tero khat tinga pathian lo lat lu tuklai lo zia ne thil khir zong zong ka thim ve ka lom hallelujah. Kan chute yam chu achiang ka ti hei mo enango chu wang so was the first lesson hey hini pathian ne na relationship ne chatle walking with the Lord, fellowshipping with him is where we are supposed to be, and that is what we are supposed to do. Kan ti tur he dam chunga iti tur hini hallelujah. US ko man ka breakthrough at Malaysia ko breakthrough no in Burma nilo I om na tur chu pathian presence ani inchute me your address should be God's presence inchute mo pathian ne na len dun hi kan ti tur ania hemi kan ti hi chone ente allow mil it is the right, it feels right, it just fits right. Chalai te poka tin so poka I'm telling you when you walk with the Lord no pathian ne na in len dun hian in nun hi atluang ber Hilda nga po lo ting berang ka hilang chu hemi nula tangwala po in lak berang tak hetiang hi mo amak lu hey hetiang hi ani tlap zel ni pathian ne na kan len dun hian we become what we are supposed to. When we walk with the Lord we become what we are supposed to be kan ni tur kan yamo and we understand life as it truly is mo nun omzia ay aton there's also joy and there's also there's pleasure mo nuamle limna mani hallelujah ka camp pa ka soi to ka soi fo pathian ne na kan nun ro ka ran no khat lukan nuam hi adang lam chuang lo hallelujah hi ni and we have a better perspective of everything, a perspective of life til shimi kan clear ti mani hallelujah kan madem hey hi ni life a chon mo kan mo chu til dang hin le lo re Solomona khan in ei tum zong zong ang asset zong zong irin phak ba kan nei fek ma se an nun depress ya kan jem hallelujah chon chu mel thatin du tlangwal ho nula ho chan chu nula tlangwa you want to attract girls or guys khateng khatero ma se ani ke chu here 1,000 girls adigem me se sang khata nei ni chu kan ngai tu phak ba ai tam khan lakania Mo katiang zong zong kana son till the pot here he was very wise, yet because he did not have this secret ingredient that was missing anuna hen that enga money thing more that kami kan nuna meaning betu hi pathian tharawani hallelujah hey hizu thinking alo never ever forget this. The one that gives meaning to your life is Jesus. Into them more in 2001 makan kaloti di kanuna hen tak before I wonder what I was doing all those years before 2001 before I actually started walking with the Lord kanun ngalo kwalvel mai jam kangai to ha tak taken kaloti lo da ka van ne so in 2001 August 6th I came to the Lord I came to the Lord and then started developing relationship with him, fellowshipping with him kalutuka pathian en tang kaluta kalutuk zela nun omzia ka retsia ne mo tu en pathian lutuk lo hian nun omzia kan shelo ti siang tak khir tu ate poinom chuan pathian lutuk lo pathian ne len dun pui lo chuan nun omzia in shelo ti ka shel cho tak shelo ka ZIR lo ni lo tong chiala hey it iswang tu zong zong ka Solomona na nuna khan an nei vek se ma se a diglo tla enga mani mo hallelujah chu tiang chu ne eng po kan nei in nei lo lam ni lo enga mani ron ti om zia tu hi a o mangai ni chu pathian ne len dun cho he ni nei the hallelujah khai ga fiatro kan van phur lo em chu wang chuan pathian ne na len tun tlukan nuam hi mishing tanem there's nothing better than walking with the Lord. I'm telling you. You want to enjoy life? Walk with Jesus. And he taught me. He'll give you this meaning, this secret. Hey, that secret sauce. He omtla ni. Engamani til nung lal iso ne kan lendu. There's a purpose. There's a meaning. Til omsiam. Hallelujah. Iso ne na lendu chuan mo tak in chei te nom big. Mo thian kom te nom big tak. Chut ni lo chuan mo everything in kim hi a thian me. Hallelujah. So first lesson number 1. Engmo Pathian nena leng dun tura siam kanya ilen dun chewin, then your life will have meaning. Ilen dun chen inuna hian omsia omang. Tura e chu huai dun ka soinga Maryland so lo US le khovel mi zong pathian nena fellowship chape lo chu inun ka ani turang ala ni lo ti chiang takin lo shadon ya. Chu wang chon equal vak to me therapy, this therapy to me kami hemi relationship, that relationship equal don't think I can promise you. I'm telling you. In chede me mo ma se pathian nen leng dun chiala nun hian meaning ani. Hallelujah. Tuna hian nge kan thona kha from Dallas to Dallas to Missouri tro aniam I don't kan thokan sa tu ka sang dolo ton akaron kalma sakzon Missouri kan kaldong han mo. I met this guy American aniam as he's a white American, and I talked with him. Ama ka bia who's a Christian alone ni lau me chu pa tia ka soita enge kha anna har sadna to thu vela soya chon tia ka shilani ente before tia ka shilani so I taught him before and also on the plane chon nakina kala ko mang se ka tia number te ka lamo tia ka shilani inna thona muna lal iso chanchin soiro Shem khatiang ai ti che kan inna thoi no mi tiang ka ti. Hallelujah. A zone ringoti anum vak mi lo engamoni. If you have some vision, some goal, that you'll spread the kingdom, that you'll tell people about Jesus, then you'll enjoy life. Katinga tihan nuna nuam. Hallelujah. Mani log na tur, mani sek na tur ringota na toy so enge omsia fakro. In chamang hezo. In chato lutukang. Oh kakani tani. Hallelujah. Lesson number 1. Finish. Lesson number 2. Kanwa so ma don ve sain so poi me lo tro. Pudi ga lo khop me. Pudi he lom thei lu tu kha. Ma se tak taka cha. Khala ka fiam le. Lockdown chung kha mo. Ka soi to ba ke ma rau ro wa pathian ne kan len dun dan a boy live berning ka thil sang atam lu tuk internet hey phone sang 2021 ka ke po kan nun hi sheu ma tam be lu tu kan mo kan now pa ka 2020 ka kan nun hi ala sheu ber chu ma ti bo kan am telo nun hi nuam tak nuam dik tak inei du son pathian len dun pui thal le la iti fuang. Hallelujah. Nun nuam tak inei du son pathian hi len dun pui thal le la chuan inun hian meaning an yang chu suni lesson number 2 kai ga fia dro next second kal the dro lesson number 2 chuan we know about King Solomon and that he had many wives 700 of them dro zasari lai apui ko san bem par ai tamin nu puye ko san din se pastor we don't mean 1,000 wives. Just imagine 1,000 girls. Sang khat. So nem tau la mo hela hini. Nupuya neya he married foreign wives which God forbade. But here in a pallo. Mo nupuya ne chawne. So enula Deuteronomy 17:16 to 17 chuan the king is commanded not to multiply horses, wives, or with gold or silver or something. But here in a palti alone, God did not actually allow them to marry so many wives. But here in a palone, into them, to a person palo is less walania, to mahalo coilo. Oh, Kalkuma Han Kanon Soya. Bible do his so tak Bible film close and do so tirtania. Mania Nupakatian can ministry member tell Chini, Pasala Nedona Pasal to theology langalemo. So an apasal can 6 months puetuma. Bible mangin swala nilo si haron shil vak so pati mi shil ka boy vak haron dia ire su ap ka ba puisa to mane ha ba dia ma asoi ko son but asoi tak ane chu wang non thil himo an words ngot an spirit an thin lung he lo te thiam de ngai thin in chat em ni sin po kan lo so ka debate sang kan soi pe ni so debate en dik tak asoi chon a log vak point ka hello china debate hemi Christian debate most of them himo dan chu kanin min lo ve ve ne inte de ma tak kanin min lo ve ve a thir tu te kha ati boy ve ve bukhen ka ria adan chu thil tam da kan soi hi an soi kha lo dik ma se fa pompui kan tum to lo chak kan tu mai ram hei aril lu hi dik to lo ru ni so ma kha so answer lo kani le so he married many foreign wives and which God did not permit hey na go helai en talok so the next verse goes like this Andrew lalte pakhat mo 1 Kings 11:4 chuan heti hi lo nia Solomona chu alo upat nu chuan engti mo yes when Solomon was old alo upat nuwa and that his wives turned his heart after other gods anu pui da chuan pathian dang te laka athin lung a shwai koi saka poi lu tuk thu thung lui kan study hian mo pathian in suala huat ber kha to em jem pathian dang nei hi ne thu thung lui an da na chuan mo hey a hob ber di ka mu chu a chan chu hey an lo ui re te ti vel tu lan that vel chu a hota ma a chan chu mo nu pa inkara hian kanin ti boi neu chuan kan la in siam thathe ne ma se pasal dang nei song kanin kar hi top mak tero tiang tho kha ne so when we sin before the Lord there is forgiveness and all but if we have other gods it's like we left him we are married to someone else so this is one sin he hates the most especially in the Old Testament is having other gods mo pathian dang bia a hongoi ai ne inte mem chiar chiang ru a hot top idolatry mo pathian hot takani a chan chu ama berang kal santi na ne mo jem an tlu gan ti sol zau ka chu a tung ding ngai dam the pathian dang an ka chu ti thei thlat to lo khat tiang khane chu wang chon and that a swal what better when Solomon was old what happened his wives turned his heart after other gods an pui chon pathian dang te lama athin lung an shwai koi sakati tani mo ka ina ngo this is ke chu noteworthy lo chin chia tlak ka ti do chu he ni an open lai khan an her koi mi lo ding rem he do you know while he was young his wives which worship our gods did not actually turn his heart away from Solomon to worship their gods while he was young an open lai chon an thei mi lo kha inte te mem poi mo lu tu an open lai kan Solomon na thin lung kha an her koi thei mi lo fa mo so because ala chakcha fita thara po fita he was young strong spiritually fit tur so these wives were not a snare for him amatan thangan ni lo inte te mem tai kan notice that imo kan notice to he ni he was very strong mo achakani while he was still strong till no khamiron min khang ver ham puan ver khamiron zar te puan ver khan while kha ding lok na ma while he was young and listen and while he was young look at this an open light on het yang vel puan vel to mo sorry puan his wives and all khat yang kha hey an mani nan thlem na tur kha anar thei ni kan che the mem helahi I've noticed this I can notice that achak lai chuan anti boy mi lo mas an chak lo de wa temen kun de tele an chak lo de wa when he became weak old those things became too heavy for him kan chu de man ring tu nu na ka van mungun tak he ti le kan flow lai le kan fit lai kan ta na poilo hi ma are nuwa kan flow vak lo lai ti top mang hey flow reng the kan ya bible kan en chon te ro flow in chu te mo ko sei so kema kan in tha da lai do hian khatiang ho kha kan ta na an rit tlat kaman am le kan ta han an rit tlat me ni khatiang kha do you understand this while you are spiritually fit while you are young some things may not seem to bother you but those things if you allow them inuna ilo phal chuan are nuwa they can be a snare just like Solomon ang chin thang ani thei in chu te man poi mo lu tu khe chu tak chu ka ngai tu ta avan ni ta tu na hian a big takin pathian ne na leng dun rei to hian in thathiam zolang ka shin I'm sure you understand this especially those people who have been walking with the Lord for some years sometimes those ke chu hei ke na and hey claim ka tela poi la it's okay kan tia masa rei nu hian kan chak lo lai takin min pot thudu khang kha in thathiam do you understand this kan chok lo lai min pot thudu tlat me ni ha ha ni so I want to ask you this. Hey, hini. Eka so do che. Enge itzak lo laya titlut thei du che. Tu na han tu ma ka soi sel ni lo. I'm not judging or I'm not saying this against anybody or anything. Ma se many Christians, including preachers, many spirit-filled preachers, do not speak or chada do the boy. Ka duai nan nu nan cho pala mo. Ngai zong te tu lo lo an nei ni so. Incho de mem. Ke zong ngai zong nei mi lo sha thiam la. Abik takin rong pol ton den chul ka tie mem lo ni so. Sa so min ti tu du ni so. Incho de mem. Ngai zong nei there's it's not a sin. It's all right. Ti zong khan. It's okay ani so. Kan manem. Ma se ente film khur lo chuan mo. Film khur lo chuan film khur lo chuan chak lo lai han tu thu do la nia. Kan soinga speaker pakati ro impuang ani so. Mitam takhen ama kha counseling tu ren ne rong kala. Lockdown lai khan mo. Speaker dang in lo pana. So speaker pan te su ani lo no. Kau me sia in lo pana. Nga tinge te so speaker pakatin pakat pe so alo mut pui a. So tiang so lo te ti sang ka omani so. Interesting. So many things. Okay. Tilikan research kan research. Khatiang ahim hen a shemei thei khatiang thom khamo. Pakhat kha ente soimol pho chu ka tummela tungen she don chonglo. Aron soini chu pa chuan nang kha I englo pa I bial nui mut pu sexy man pe I'm being frank mo. I man zo in khum kha shiak I thi thiang lim zuya hati. Just imagine. Amut pu nuwa anom na kha swollen ti boy lo nan shiak la thi zui ni so. Inso de mem. Khatiang te khane chuan adang le po ko san upa ne chu tiang khatiang tu ha I englo pa kha kan englo pa ka the saliba chet lo zo kha pakhat kha lon sian ron soi cheu ni kha kham ove kha chu ano rona ante khatiang ho khamo ka shia ni chu lo te po mi dang dang anom khang ho ka I speaker chen kha chu ka shia ni so into them ka soi vek lo nga I know them COVID lo lai lockdown ma tharau chom thalai ka ti mai in khom thei pang alai chon an thu lowang into them ma se din hunin ron ZIR lo mo duanga tharau chom lo thei vak lo hun duanga khatianga hanti thei vak to lo hun han an chak lo lai takat ama an lo ko pui ne han tlutat ka thuti mem khalai kha ente karon soi tum so nula tlang val na chok so thil shim to na hen maybe you're compromising oh yeah Sunday in khom lo so everyone is doing game sushi ka siama ka boil tu ka everyone is doing it mo to me ka tia hey sushi siam ho ka min holo la example me to me everyone is doing it mo it's okay tia ma sente Solomona ha mo boy thak ber chu but see but here in look at this what God allows is not the same as approval into them ma'am a phal ti wang khane pathian in tirua ti tina ni chong ne lo lo ti mero ti na ang do hiom ne kan chu de me mo so sunyam mitam takin chu tiang khatiang chon you know people are selfish and you get away you think you got away with it you're selfish you're self-seeking you know you're lazy and nothing happens ma sen nakina din mun din lo when you become spiritually old and weak or something those things can become snares itak lo itar ku huna khatiang kha thangaum thei tlat an mane mo film khurang chu wang chon na ngo what is the lesson here so upat nu anti boy chat in Nepal to Deuteronomy 7:3 says you should not intermarry with those foreigners. So wang chuan engele see 7:3 enge what's the lesson here and uma sabera chon upat nuwa nang ma ti thu thei laka lo inveng se hallelujah upat nu omzia if flow em to lo nuwa shem crusade nei to lo nuwa chumi ti thei la chon hey ka fan relate tak COVID-19 ang lockdown ang chi tharau chom thelo boura ki khovela ron thleng le ta se tuna ilak zam ila zam thei do lo thil tam takema kan chate mem because ar wai ri don se ne khatinga wai ri thei la ka kham lo film khorang che na don't compromise next one pani na chu heta kan zir to chuan next one is tharau lama upat lo tur hallelujah what's the lesson a lesson saying mo upat lo tur ne top Solomona ka no pan lai chona fit lu to ka ma sa upat chia anon wai lo ta chuan upat lo me tur hallelujah engmo upat lo tur engte ka upat lo thayanga ti me thaya nie si อุปัตกันที่กัน physical age สุดโลเทโลวินเทียนกัลเวเซลนี่มอเฮ้ยมาตอนนี้จะไปนอนละตารเวดอนนะแค่น่ะหลักตั้งตัวส่วนเลยยังเลยตัวกันแต่เราสมแต่พอดันอันนั้นตารเวดอนนี่เนี่ย physically but ก็มูชัวจมูกก็เรียกจุปัจเจียนเนี่ยเองที่สวยข้ามันเนี่ยก็เชียร์ต่อสามสมเรียบลีจังเสียจนจักนาจังจักเลยส่วนละ God says from strength to strength จักนาจังจักเลยส่วนละกันกำลังตีส่วนรูปุยนะจังรูปุยนะเตียงกันกัลเสียลังตีที่หันมา from faith to faith ขัดเตียงข้าปัจเจียนเทียมันนี่กันมาเนี่ยมันเลยอ๋อขัดเตียงข้าปัจเจียนเทียมันนี่อ่ะจู่วันจนชาวเบอร์จู่ก็สวยจุ๊มั้งอีให้ฮีโร่แค่เจียงละเองข้ามันเนี่ยก็สวยต่อ John Maxwell อ่ะ you know him John Maxwell high school reunion นักละอัน high school reunion นัดส่วนอันนี้จะกุมสมรุกเวลและกุมสมสรีเวลอันนั้นอันมาส่วนแต่หมอ high school reunion กันก็ทุก classmates they were very very old อันอุปลุตตุกาที่ใครปีเตอร์พุตเตอร์ high schoolกันแล้วกันปุยนี่เฮียที่อันนั้นที่อันแต่ที่อันนั้นสวยตาส่วนมินิส่วน discussion กันเนี่ยดากันนี่เวลอันหลายปุ่นดำโดยจงสร้างอันสวยอัน mitigationsส่วนที่เขาเท่เต็มสวยใช่ไหมin rare yan antarbik you understand they were like very old hey a nature and character point is very old kan chute mem so sina tian so tani John Maxwell pan chu tiang ka ti don katar don lo ti tani in chute mem so I'll do opposite of what they are doing you enting e tar chon an ti chin le entinan he siang an semong they're very slow kro iu patel te zon chet mong iu wara hey in semong tol chu wang sonเสียรันตุ่มไม่ตัวอะไรเนี่ยแต่ตั้งกันเนี่ยอดเลยถ้าเชื่อดอล they tend to be lazy so make sure you're not lazy กันมาเนี่ยมันเลยแต่ตั้งให้อุปชวนอดเลย ZIR ไทยเรา see they are unwilling to learn anything new that's why they're very old ตัวเอง John Maxwell เอ็นเดลฟ์ไฟขัดมาไม่ตาร์ feeling กันเลยก็เอ็นเฮียนเชื่อมไม่เห็นตาร์นับขัดมาเลยเมลจูอุปตัวมั้งAmela upata John Maxwell but he is very young very fresh because he keeps himself fresh hallelujah tarhi kumjian ni lo nia in mel tu tleme zur da mai thei lungai su nang ma ni han mo hey in attitude ka in mi zia kha a yang reng thei hallelujah hada o mena englo mi pakhat soi po tiang ka sia chu he's 97 years old they say and every day he practices his violin a violin practice yani kum som ko pasari mi in and then sila waka pungoro ngat nge violin ku yu patosi zirzela tia nilo I'm getting better every day ati hallelujah nitin maka son zela lomte katiang rilu ka puang keisa keirol ho intirosa keirol ho yang kan tiang hallelujah oh chu tiang chu ni keirol in kan tiang ZIR thai unwilling lot and see upa ho chu they are not willing to learn and they are unteachable till he ZIRที่รันเทตอร์อินสุดท้ายให้กัน opinion นี้อะไรตอลคุมสมทุ่มินเปลังเชียงคุมสมลินเปลังเชียงคุมสมงาสมรุกไอ opinion นี้ไอ inform อังเงตอลละที่รออินทักที่อัน hard sudden they find it very hard to change they are not willing to learn they tend to be lazy slow and all these things self absorbed ตั้มไม่ขัดยังเจ้าขันอันตีโลอังคันกัลลุยละมั้งนั่งมาอี fresh แม่งฮัลโหลเนี่ยมีเราเอ็นโดนเนี่ย and that kalau notice tun chum hi karon ki zin hi ke ma raw hai ho de ama in ka in sei pi to lo ti ka notice ani to ma ke ma he ngoro ka du ta lo ni he in sei hi mo tun ma chon ka idol ani he ka war lu tu ki mo he min conviction kan chen in sei ka war lu tu ki ka he ka struggle chen so in sei lo tu ren dik ta kon su chak te ka pe mi lo he ma se mi ma thu soi kan ni wang en cheme engai happening do in sei reng heป้าจะหนุ่มก็ทีนี้ตามาสักดังละตุนไหนเนี่ยชันปกให้เราแกอินซีไปโลชันเลยสมมติ US ก็ลองกันแต่ what's the point อมสิให้อาริลดูฮันไอ้เบียลนู่นนี่โดนจวงเราแต่มั่วอมสิเนี่ยอมสิเรา what's the point อังคันก็นี่สุดส่วนใครโน้ตที่ตุนเลยส่วนไว้ขัดสุดตุนเขาปากเทียนมินชิละ it comes with age เรื่องเท่านี้พี่หนุ่มมามินิงกันไงเงินอุปายอินเซกันเปโลเวอร์รอนเทียนี่ I heard something like ข้ามีกันเทียง่ายหรอopposite zone กับเขาตอนอินเตอร์แซงอินเซเทียเขาเลยไอ้ก็สวยอมเสียนช่วยเทียม I in say point lo ke mani minti old hey minti age to him a opposite na kal thei tak tak ania tharau zong pe chon ni tak ani lo en chialo fiam thu kan soi chin tharau puitling lo tharau senior him kan soi kan chem tharau senior ron dan chu hey anin ZIR pe to lo pero chan turang in an chang pe lo ma se an local rate to se ngai dan kha in fix nge to mo chu wang chan ama hey al do pathian thun dona pianga phur do ang zi khal alang thei to lo wa chu wang chan ki khan an ta an che muang an no ka ni kan thate ma am kha hemi ka notice na satlu tu wangen a opposite zonga kal ko chu wang chan Solomon tran lesson tha ka tilu tu so I think hey ni and also old people they are very complacent, they feel smug, satisfied with their life an du to ka ni hey enge han ti te chiam hi an pe lo so te ma kum somriat pangamin Lamborghini le kering lo nei ma se siam Ferrari le kering lo race vak sab tun lo ti me te ma se pe ta no pang in tiro senti zan kharing attitude ka nei lo bela ke chu tha ka te mo ma kan son no ne in so te ma they tend to be smug, lazy, and they uncompromising oh ka ni lesson number 3 the last lesson number 2 revise lok engmo Solomon ang lo chu eng dang ni lo vin nupui dang alo nea khang kha upat nu khan anti boy ni chu wang chuan lesson chu enge lesson thada chu I upat pal nuwa I upat pal chuan nang ma wai thu thei tu na la wai thu lem lo kha film khurang che tu na changa it's better to get rid of those things mo pathian thu pek lak zamte mo chian te ngai zong te ru ka thil ti vak lo zeu khateng kha lo film khurang che chuan number 2 chuan the good lesson is upat lo tur tar lo tur wei eng ti ka ma I taksa chon ron eng lo ma se anti dan opposite zel khan kala nang ma fresh takle chang reng ni om men hallelujah hey tak ne chuan to ber the last lesson number 3 and ngo hey lesson hi Solomon kan ZIR to so hey kan traffic Solomon he backslid at all a backslide tani and they say he came back I don't ka chiang lo kha so chuan hla than kho mi a phuan ti mo songs of Solomon so he cutting ha azia kan ta chu anung to la aron le ti Solomon aron le lo so I don't know whatever ma sente hi ni Solomon so and all poilu tuk so a very good lesson but very sad lesson is this he started out very well a starting ka chatop ani anche de mem a starting a chatop bulletin chatop tu na po Maryland a hian tam tak chu kan chan chani hallelujah kum linga chungle we started out good ma pathian hi nung kan sui hey kalosia kan now the chen kati vision school and kalon tin kalo lo man sen kala hi ti han mun chang chang lo kala mo I think that's a good start more and tili thangani and let's see how he started a start and long he started being a worshipper and he built a temple for the Lord. Took 7 years to build this. Kumsari Patian on the day of dedication. Patian so much sacrifice. Patian halal tilna matam ema aropu ituru ema halal tilhan kan penna nasani. And he prayed, and his prayer was awesome, a wonderful, powerful prayer. Atong chaya alantani. Atong chai zo so fana tragin meron sukta. More here and there. And it consumed their sacrifice tamlu tuka. The glory of God filled this house, this temple. Hallelujah. Imagine, hey, but your presence, come on, Holy Spirit's presence was very, very strong, and they could not even enter. And loot, hallelujah. In relate him. But so strong that he started out so well, and God appeared to him twice. And he said, ask me whatever you want. What do you want? And he asked for wisdom. I started at the done and finna. Patiana lom na to finna deal vang ringot anilova mo. Kakilo shem. Any patiana lom na San Solomon Tsunga. How sagnate, mel mate, netenate deal lovin finna deal ka at the ringot lovamo. Finna deal ka can lom. Animo the insert and son. Ami the Tsunga real hatura a deal ka alomani. Into them. Hallelujah. Means he did not ask for himself. Amatan deal lovin. Ami the tana real tiam tura finna a deal zoka. Midang tan chunga chan tur kha ni telani kan chete mem. So that's how he started, very selfless. He didn't even ask for riches and for the hands for his enemies or anything. He asked for wisdom to to govern God's people. Means he was selfless. Wisdom adilani. Hallelujah. Come on, emle. Pathian du zong tak midang nena rong bol thei turin finna dilani. Hallelujah. Dal paso thil ka pedulu tuk poisa min pete tira pingeng se. Mo midang tanam mal somna ni tir so dulu tuk pathian. So he started out very good. He was selfless. Ma se chuka say, come on. Hetiang hini so and up pathian nei mi ne chuan he became very rich. God blessed him beyond measure. And lal chani unluck ema finger his starting was very good. Ma se his ending was so sad. Ma boy tap atop lani. Kan chete mem. Abul trana cha ma se atop lani boy ni. Heta changin in zero. Hallelujah. And it's not how you start that matters. It's actually how we finish. It top down here, apoy mozok ti shitarlero. Hallelujah. And ango bulletin cha. He started out good, but he did not. The way he continued wasn't very good because he started out what? Building God's temple for how many years? 7 years. Pathian temple hikum sari sani. He took low and raw. Mizo trying to timan low mo. So he was 7 years in building the temple. 7 years. But after that, he built his own house. Solomon took 13 years to build his own house. 7 2s are 14. And the abulchan danga chazia. Min perot hausak min perot timi alone. He didn't even ask riches for himself, but he asked wisdom to govern the people. Amatan nilo midanta adanga nitro adilani. Chuvang patian lo mani. Mase an chozel khan an chozel khan patian in sakna ay ama in saknan huna mangnemda. Insetemen. Oh, kating a character katlema lose chando ang kating han. So chutong chone. You see this? And hallelujah. It's not how you start that's important. It's actually how you finish. So to finish, how you continue is very important. It's hallelujah. Come on, when I boy teen so they youth how they can but here gonna coin it was a very good start. Everything's going to depend on how you continue. Oh, it's hallelujah. B4 Trong Chai Bible share. See, I tell you, if you do B4 every day, more Trong Chai Bible share, fellowship develop, the things of the world will not attract you. Kovel till can attract Lawangse. Hallelujah. But if you don't do those things will pull you. They'll pull you like this, like a magnet. It's so hard to resist them. Trong Chai Bible share can teach Hatson Kovel till and min pot vakaloni sumo. Can teach Hatvakalosan min pot nasalit tuga. Can theology can adjust JHM. Come on, Amo. In Mutong I am. Mani do zong ti do vanga theology as just JHM. Come on, Tamania thing. Oh, Mani do zong ti the Patian pan ti qual jemo, tiang iti vok mem. So Wang Son. Chiang oh, hey, oh. Patian to idon tir. Taravina koitir tseha. Achan tir zoni tir shiang tse. The Lord touched you powerfully, you know something was happening to your body, the Holy Spirit filled you. Just know that that's only the starting tone. Realize, keep it alive, keep it powerful. Hallelujah. Conclude